It is a non-load-bearing straw bale Hogan-style house designed on feng shui principles. The exterior is earth plaster, all totally natural materials. The gardens around are all native plants and grasses. The roof water goes into these gardens. The interior of the house, passive solar design. Pellet stove is its only source of heat that's needed on cloudy days. Also has a pond inside and plants inside, which runs off a gray water system. Concrete countertops. This is a cob wall that is behind the pellet stove. Concrete floors, stained and textured concrete floors. The interior doors were all salvaged from a local building supply store. And the interior walls are also done with an earth plaster. And the rest of the surfaces are faux painted by a local artist. The Flexcrete's made in Page, which is about 100 miles from here. It's made of fly ash, polystyrene, and concrete. These are Flexcrete blocks. They're bigger than masonry blocks, but much lighter. It's built similar to masonry. The Whipple house was put on an existing home site. There was a manufactured home, a dilapidated manufactured home on this site that was taken off by the previous owners, and this way they were able to preserve all the native lands and trees. These are trom walls. They're special masonry, heavy masonry blocks behind these glass panels. This provides a passive heat. The heat for this house is done by a very small wood stove that is extremely efficient and provides the heat for the entire home. This is the living room. The American clay plaster on the exterior walls and extremely low VOC paint on the interior walls. The appliances, the cabinets, the doors and stuff are all salvaged materials. This is the wood stove that is the only heat source for this house.
County did make me put
These are some of the windows for the passive solar heating, and you can see some of the doors, salvaged doors for the interior. This is the Gumerman house. It is a straw bale, non-load bearing straw bale home, 2 stories, passive solar. The windows that we're looking at here do face south and provide passive solar. Inside is a solid concrete floor that's been stained and made to look like giant tiles. The outside of this house is stucco. There is a metal roof, and they do as much rainwater catchment as they can. You can see this house is on Forest Service property, and there is very minimal disturbance. Their septic system is a Norweco alternative septic system, which is necessary up here in Flagstaff because of the clay soil. This is the inside of the home. This is local rock from the site. poured concrete floors. From in here you can see the interior of the straw bale. Walls, stucco interior, a good use of space. The upstairs and the downstairs are heated with a radiant floor that's run off a gas boiler.